How many times have you pulled your cable out of your bag or out of your case and it was just a complete knot? That's probably because you wrapped it like this, or you're wrapping it like this. Either way, they're both wrong, and let's learn the right way to do it. What's happening? My name is Matt. Welcome to Matt Music. I'm a professional touring tech and musician. I've been all over the world. I've toured with many bands, and I'm here to show you some cool stuff. So we've all done it. We've all started from the same place where we all wrapped our cables the wrong way, and what happens is eventually they begin to twist up. And so every time you go to pull it out of your case, it looks like this. And this is really terrible for your cables. You spend a lot of money on these things, and you should want them to last. If you wrap them incorrectly, repeatedly, over and over and over, you'll eventually wind up breaking the wires that are inside of the cable, making this thing useless. But today we're going to talk about the infamous over-under technique, which is the tried and true industry standard way to wrap any cable. The over-under technique is a technique that seems to melt everybody's brain, and it even melted mine for a really long time. It took me forever to really grasp some of the finesse techniques that you need in order to really do it well. So today I'm going to show you two different versions. I'll show you the version that I started with that I actually made a video about some time ago, which absolutely works, but then I'm going to show you the proper way, and I'm going to explain why that works even better. And to do that, I'm going to wear a body cam so you can see exactly what I see as I do it. First thing we're going to do, we're going to take our cable and we're going to start from one of the ends. We'll take the jack and we're going to hold it in our hand just like this. Anybody that's watching this that's an industry professional, you're already cringing, and I can already tell in the comments you're going to be like, you're doing it wrong. I know, but we'll get there. Relax. So we'll hold it just like so. And then after that, what we're going to do is we're going to wrap it in basically a spring motion. You're going to let the cable do what it feels like it should do. You're going to let the cable turn on itself so that it's straight. So basically, if you took this and held it out perfectly straight and then brought it together, it would make that loop. Now the outside is still straight. The next technique you're going to want to learn is the under, right? And so here's where we're taking this and we're learning how to twist, right? So the first loop, we allowed the cable to tell us what way it felt comfortable so that we had that motion, right? So we're basically twisting this way. Now we want to twist the opposite direction. And so for me, I learned how to do this where we would lay it down like so. Now that is creating an over-under loop. And it does work very well for wrapping your cables. But if you notice, the reason why this isn't the most ideal way to do this is because every time I wrap it over and then under, I'm left in this position where I'm not able to keep moving my hand down the cable. I actually have to let it go in order to keep going. This is where the industry standard method is much better and much smoother. Let me show you. When we do it in the correct direction with the jack facing away from you, see? Told you we'd get there. You can make these motions nice and smooth, and you never have to take your hand off of the cable. This is the biggest difference, and it's going to save you lots of time, and it's going to save you lots of money in cables. For this method, what we're going to do is we're going to start with the cable pointing away from us. And then what we're going to do is, same idea, we're going to allow the cable to tell us when it's nice and straight. You can feel it. There's no resistance. If you were to drop it, it would just drop straight. So we hold it like so, we bring it around, and we allow the cable to twist in a way that it feels straight. Then comes the next loop, which we're going to bring out, and we're going to then use our turning technique like this twisty technique, and we're going to twist it over the top of our wrist. So just let it go over your hand like that and bring it together and try to match the loops. It's important to match the loop. Don't make it too long and don't make it too short. You want to make it somewhere right in the middle. About a foot is a healthy loop, because if you wrap it too tightly, you could still damage the wires inside, making the cable useless. So here we go again. Try it like this. With the jack facing away, we take out about a foot and we let it lay over the top. It's created a nice loop. Now, we take out about another foot and we then twist it with our hand over our wrist. Bring it back out, bring it back around. Over the wrist. Loop, over the wrist. Loop, over the wrist. Loop, and there you have it. One last time so we can see how smooth it is. Point it away, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under, and then finally over. Once you've mastered this technique, go ahead and go get yourself some Velcro cable ties. They sell them everywhere, Harbor Freight, Walmart. They're very cheap. You can probably even get strips of Velcro from literally anywhere. Just get you some. And from there, you can wrap your cable up nice and tidy, and it's kept nice and safe. Easy peasy, ready to go. Thanks for watching. We're gonna catch you in the next video. Peace.